Hello and welcome to my video. In this video I am going to show you how you can fix a cloned Elementor page. Sometimes it is convenient to import an Astra theme demo website template and then replace the dummy text and images with yours. This will help you to save time. Sometimes you need to clone pages, pages made with Elementor. You need to clone them, then it will be more faster and convenient. But sometimes cloning the pages like Elementor pages doesn't work out as expected. For example, this is an Elementor about page made with Elementor. Suppose I go to the pages and you can see that this is the about page over here, and there is a clone option. For example, if you do not get this clone option, you can install third-party add-on plugins such as essential add-ons for Elementor or any other clone or post-clone plugins. You can just install and use it, no problem. In case you don't get this clone functionality with your theme, okay. So suppose I clone this page over here, okay. After I clone this page, you see this page is cloned over here. This is set to draft. I will just save it as about clone. So this is the about, how the about page looks. I will just publish the clone over here, okay. So it is published, and now what I am going to do, I am going to view the page over here and see how it looks, okay. And you can see there, this is the cloned about page, and you see that it doesn't look anything like the original about page, okay. You see, this is the original about page. There is the hero section over here, title, image, and nice, and only the text over here. So how can we fix it? The issue is very simple. You can very easily fix it. Suppose you go to this clone page, and what you do, you simply, you see this is the clone page, you simply launch the Elementor editor, okay. And when you launch the Elementor editor, you will see that the page is fixed, okay. You will see the page is fixed. Let it load. And you can see that now in the Elementor editor the page looks fine. So what you can do now, you can just simply just make a small change like this, back and forth, and click on update. And when you now reload the cloned about page, you will see that it is fixed, okay. So this is how you fix cloned Elementor page in the Astra theme, okay. So I hope this video helped you out, and if this video helped you out, then please make sure to like this video, and also please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.